Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll guide you through the process of setting up Takaturn, from setting up your Metamask wallet to creating a Takaturn account to joining a Turn group. The first thing you will need is a wallet. For beginners, I recommend getting a Metamask wallet. To learn how to set up a Metamask wallet, check the link in the description below. Once your wallet is set up, your dashboard should look like this. Notice up here that you're on the Ethereum main network. To use Takaturn, you need to be on the Arbitrum One network. Head to arbitrum.io, scroll down to the bottom, and click on Add Arbitrum One Network. A pop-up from Metamask will appear. Click Approve and switch networks. Once you're back on your Metamask dashboard, the network will have automatically changed. To use Takaturn, you will need both Ethereum and USDC. Go back to arbiscan.io, search for USDC. Click the first option named USDC coin. Copy the token's contract address. Return to your wallet, click Import Tokens. Paste the token address. Click Next, then Import. Now, your wallet is ready for receive funding. There are many ways to add funds to your Metamask account. For the sake of brevity, in this tutorial, we will use a centralized exchange called Kraken. Be sure to check out the video tutorial linked in the description for alternative ways to add funds to Metamask. To begin, let's use Kraken to purchase Ethereum and demonstrate the process. Enter the desired amount, then click Review and Confirm to complete the purchase. Once you've acquired Ethereum, click on the Ethereum icon and navigate to the withdrawal button. Select the network, choosing Arbitrum One, and copy your wallet address from the Metamask portal. Paste your wallet address here. Then click Withdraw to successfully add funds to your Metamask wallet. Now it's simple. Open the Takaturn website and create an account. Once you have successfully created your account, navigate to the Open Turn Groups menu. Choose a group and connect your wallet by clicking Connect Your Wallet. If Metamask does not appear, refresh the page, then select the Metamask icon. Once your wallet is connected, click Prepare and Join. A minimum deposit will be displayed, and you can choose to opt in or out of the yield generation. Additionally, in this page, you can also see the estimated yield generation and APY that can be gained from your deposit. If you're interested in yield generation, feel free to add more Ethereum to your deposit. Click Accept and Join. A pop-up will appear. Click Confirm. Congratulations! You've now successfully joined a Turn group.